Alright, what up? Today we'll be installing some motor mounts on the Mazda Miata. It's from Moss Motors. They're on sale, like, I don't know, $41, $42. So I ordered both of them. They claimed 40% stiffer engine mounts. So we're going to do a quick little install on them and see how it goes. First step, jack up the car. Can't ride up the ramps because I'm too low. So I just put the ramps under the frame. I got that jack just for kicks there. I mean, I can take it out. I had to take out my other jack because I need that for holding the engine up. And yeah, this is going to be an engine mount job. Take off wheels, jack up car, go in there, 1 bolt. Then against the engine bay in there, 3 bolts. Use a long extension. And yeah, do that on both sides. Take out the engine mount. Alright. Get those back ones over back there in that little crack. All you need is, I'm using a gun, a long 12-inch I think, with a little, can't remember what it's called, and a 14 mil, and it just goes right in over this thing and it gets right back on that bolt. Alright, this is what we're looking at here. Got the mount off. Do a little clean on this beast quick. Pretty solid. So there's 3 little bolts on this side, on the right side, and there's 2 bolts on the other side with 1 longer one. So I've got to figure out that, or why it's like that. And I remember which one I pulled the tall one out of. So do that. Here's the new mount. Here's the old one. I mean, this has only got 48,000 miles on it, so she's still good, but this one is definitely more firm, and it's supposed to be 30% better. Still made by Mazda, genuine parts, which is really weird. I called to make sure that this is my upgrade, and I do see the difference. There's a little steel in here I think they add, or no, I guess it's just paint. There is something extra right here, and it's just, I could feel it's more sturdy. You put these little nice caps on so you don't wreck the threads. It's hard to mess this up because there's a hole right there, and the mount hole on this side. So just go like that, goes right into the square. And then kind of want a sturdy foundation so you can hold this thing in there. Okay. Got that beast all in there. Now I'm going to tighten it down to torque specs quick, and then yeah, reinstall. Alright, I didn't really have a finishing part of the video. I went and test drove it after I installed the mounts, and yeah, they suck. So I think you should definitely buy something better, and that's a waste of money. It's pretty easy install, maybe an hour, 2 hours tops, wasting my time, but I don't know, not worth it to me. Let me show you. These are the mounts I bought. They claim that they are 40% stiffer than stock, yet I didn't notice anything different, to be 100% honest. And they're still rubber, not poly, so waste $100. And mainly a waste of my time too, so don't suggest these at all.